Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera que ves mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you are a return subscriber, welcome to my channel. From the thumbnail, we all know that it's about to go down. Remember in my last video, I complained terribly of how this particular hairstyle gave me body pains. And as a matter of fact, I still have these pains. But in this video, we will be recreating this one more time. But this time, we'll be making use of our clip-ins. Okay? So sit back, relax, enjoy these videos, and drop your questions in the comment section, and I will be answering them. If you're wondering how do I install my clip-ins, I have videos that I explained how to install your clip-ins, so you might as well want to go check those videos out when you're done with this one. I'll also leave a link above. Yeah, so do well to check them out. Nobody should come for my cornrows. If you come for my cornrows, I will come for you. You will see me in your house. Shout out to Iceworks for commenting in the last video. If you want a shout out as well, be the first to drop a comment in this particular video. Naturally, I should be leaving out some strands of my hair to fall over these clip-ins. But the issue I have with these clip-ins are my hair is way darker than these clip-ins. So I didn't leave out any of my strands. For a front part, I added a little bit of gel. This time I didn't add as much gel as I did when I did the last one. Yes, and I am using the clip-ins to create this little ponytail situation that is going on here. I'd love to hear your opinion on this whole new lighting setup. I don't know, I'm not really liking it, but what do you guys think? And this is the final result. So try this hairstyle with your clip-ins and let me know what you think. The only issue I have with these clip-ins are the colors conflicting with that of my hair color, but it's fine, it's okay, we still look stunning. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and of course share. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.